Hello friends, my name is Visa. I am explaining output stream, how to read the file from a device using coding in Java. Like if you want to not reading, writing the file. If you want to write something in your file like demo.txt, if you want to write in this file, hello, how are you? Instead of hello, how are you, we want to write hello India. Maybe you are fine or I am okay. We are here creating one file. Okay, like output string dot java, and first we copy the content from here. Okay, and paste it here. First remove these steps and import one file. Import java dot util dot start. This this header file will help you to uh, enter some data into your terminal. But now we will not require. Maybe we will try this after this video, or after this complete the this. First we will check the file is exist or not, and second we will create a file output string equal to oft equal to new file output string. Okay, here the path is path. Okay, this is the path of this file. Now remove this and paste it here. This is part. Now we have to first we have to take one string which is gonna uh, write in that file demo.txt. So we are creating one string as equal to uh, what we want to write in this file. uh, Hello friends, I am fine, please subscribe my channel. Okay, now we are taking one thing byte. Okay, byte b equal to s dot get byte. Maybe get byte. Now we have to take another thing like we take one like we are printing we are storing this into of t dot write b. Okay, now oft dot close. This will be maybe not generate any error. Okay, this is not a, we have to change here output. Okay, first we have to change this output stream stream. Okay, output string. Now we have here byte s dot get byte. Here the mistake is, wait, what is the mistake? Okay, here the b is capital. Okay, now it will be done perfectly, maybe. Okay, okay. Now what is demo.txt? Hello friend, I am fine. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is printing perfectly. If you want to see again, then here just write he and run again. It will be generated like this. Okay, here we have to just print system.out.println, and the writing is complete. Okay, okay, semicolon is missing. Okay, the writing is complete. And if you want to edit something, you can add this. And if you want to take a input from uh, terminal, then you can take this using this terminal also. Here you have to create a scanner class, and if you don't know how to create a scanner class, please comment in this video. I will create a one new video how to create a scanner class and take a value from user. Thank you guys, subscribe my channel, and thank you for join my view my video. Thank you very much. Bye. I start